In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Postgres to Metabase. By the end, you'll have your PostgreSQL database added to Metabase, so you can start exploring and building dashboards. Before we begin, make sure you have access to your Metabase instance and the basic database details handy: the host or endpoint, the port, the database name, and a username and password with at least read access. It also helps if your network or cloud provider allows Metabase to reach your database. Start by opening your browser and searching for Metabase. Click the first result to open Metabase, or go directly to your organization's Metabase URL if you already have one. Once you're on the Metabase page, click Login and sign in to your workspace. This takes you to the Metabase home screen where we'll make the connection. Look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. From there, select Admin Settings. This is where all your configuration options live. In the left sidebar, choose Databases, then click Add a Database. This opens the form we'll complete to connect PostgreSQL. For database type, select PostgreSQL from the drop-down. This ensures Metabase uses the correct driver and connection settings. Next, give the connection a clear name, something you and your teammates will recognize later, like Production or Analytics. In the host field, enter the server address for your database. That could be localhost for a local instance, a private host name on your network, or a managed service endpoint such as an RDS or Cloud SQL address. The port defaults to 5432, which is standard for Postgres, so you can usually leave it as is unless your admin configured a custom port. Enter the specific database name you want Metabase to query, then provide the username and password. It's best practice to use a read-only account that has access to the schemas and tables you plan to analyze. Keep credentials secure, and avoid sharing them outside your team. Under Security and Advanced Options, toggle Use a Secure Connection (SSL) if your database requires or recommends encryption in transit. Many hosted databases enforce SSL by default. If your database sits behind a firewall or private network, you can configure an SSH tunnel here to bridge the connection through a bastion host. Use appropriate SSH credentials or keys as provided by your admin. When everything looks correct, click Save. Metabase will attempt the connection and begin syncing metadata. The first sync may take a moment. If it doesn't connect, double-check the host, port, network allow lists, credentials, and whether SSL or SSH settings are required. Once it's saved, you're ready to start asking questions and building dashboards from your PostgreSQL data.